Hey guys, welcome back to Hanging with the Kiddos Custom Party Favors. I'm Latoya. In today's video, we're going to be showing you how to create custom party favors, zebra cake wrappers using Canva. We also have a special treat for all of you K-pop TXT fans out there, so make sure you watch the entire video.
Whether you're planning a birthday bash, a baby shower, or a fun get-together, custom party favors can take your event to the next level. And today, we're going to make sure your celebration stands out from the rest. So, without further ado, let's dive into this creative journey and learn how to transform ordinary zebra cakes into extraordinary party treats using Canva. Before we get started, make sure you have the following supplies ready. Zebra Cake's wrapper template, which we'll create. Access to Canva, either free or pro version. A printer glossy photo paper or your choice of copy paper. Scissors or a paper trimmer. Double-sided tape or hot glue. Optional pinking zigzag scissors. Optional paper crimper. HWTK also has a digital download option of a straight crimp effect with a transparent background. It's the perfect way to finish off a design without having to spend time manually crimping it. Optional, Cricut machine. We'll also walk you through the steps on how to save your label from Canva and upload them into Design Space to be cut with your Cricut machine. The wrappers are made to fit zebra cakes 74 grams. Firstly, let's go to canva.com and sign into your account. If you haven't signed up yet, it's quick and easy to create a free account. You can also explore the benefits of Canva Pro by using our referral link and signing up for a 30-day free trial. After logging in, click on Custom Size. For the dimensions, enter 7.5 by 8 inches. Then, click on the Create New Design button. Next, go up to Elements and select the square shape from the Shapes section. Add the square to your page and adjust its size using the provided measurements. Once you have created your layout, it's time to design the label. To add your own images and clip art, click on the Uploads tab. You can also search Canva's library for clip art and images. To add text, simply click on the Text tab. If you're eager to start designing right away, our customizable template is your perfect solution. We've already done the hard work by creating the template layout and pre-designing the wrappers, making it exceptionally easy and convenient for you to customize to your liking. If you're interested in the ready-to-edit template, it's available for purchase on our website. Or if you're one of our Patreon members, you can enjoy a complimentary download. All the links will be in the description box.
In this segment of the video, I'll be demonstrating how I effortlessly created this Yeonjun-inspired zebra cake design using HWTK's Zebra Cake Treats customizable template.
Once you have finished designing your label, you can save it as a PDF for manual cutting, or save it as an image and use your Cricut machine to cut it out for you. We'll guide you through both options. Once your label design is complete, save it as a PDF print file or PDF. Next, open the saved PDF and select the option to print. Ensure that you choose actual size in your print settings. This ensures that the label will be printed at its intended dimensions without any scaling or resizing. Note that only one label can fit on an 8.5 by 11-inch page size. Once your label design is complete, save it as a PNG or JPG image in Canva. Open Cricut Design Space and create a new project. Next, click the Upload button at the bottom of the left design panel. Next, select Upload Image and choose the saved label image from Canva. When prompted, choose the complex option and save the image as a Print Then Cut image. The uploaded image will now be in your Recent Uploads image library. Click on the image to select it, then click Add to Canvas. Resize the image. To resize the image, select it and click the unlock icon if it's locked. Adjust the dimensions to 7.5 inches by 8 inches. Auto resize if necessary. If Cricut Design Space detects that the image is too large for an 8.5 by 11-inch page size, select the option to auto resize image. This will make the label slightly smaller and the fit will be a bit tight, but still fit. Printing and cutting. When ready, click the Make It button. Follow the on-screen prompts, which will instruct you to print the image on your printer. Select System Dialog to make adjustments to your paper and printer settings. There you have it. Creating custom zebra cakes wrappers using Canva is a fun and creative way to personalize your party favors. Whether you choose manual cutting or use a Cricut machine, your guests will love these custom treats. But before we wrap things up, don't forget to take advantage of our special treat for all you K-pop TXT fans out there. Head over to our website at hangingwiththekiddos.com to grab our latest free party printable, Zebra Cakes, TXT Yeonjun edition. If you're interested in the ready-to-edit template, it's available for purchase on our website. This pre-designed template will make the process of creating your custom party favors that much easier. As a Patreon member, you can download any of our templates and mockups for free as a thank you for your support. Check out our Patreon page for more details. All the links will be in the description box, including links to the supplies we used for printing and assembling. If you have any suggestions for future video ideas, or if you have any questions, please leave a comment down below.
Alright guys, thanks again for watching. Please subscribe to our YouTube channel if you haven't already, and make sure you hit that notification bell so that you can be notified when we post more videos. And see you next time. Bye.